everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. Today's DIY that I'm going to show you is so easy, and they are so pretty, and they are these wedding wands. How pretty are those? You can make them with 1 to 4 ribbons, or if you want to get wild, go with even more than 4 ribbons. But it has a little jingle bell on it. So when the bride and groom are leaving the reception, all the guests would have one of these wedding wands, and then they will wave it and send the happy couple on their way. So to make this wedding wand, I need a few supplies here. I have 3 different colors of ribbon. I have a ivory or off-white color ribbon. This is in 5/8 inch. And also I have like a light tan ribbon here, and this is also in 5/8 inch. Then I have, it's like a silver gold ribbon, and I have that 7/8 of an inch. Then I have some ivory off-white thin ribbon here, and that is in the size of 1/4 inch. Then I have my Jingle Bell, a pair of scissors, a measuring tape, hot glue gun, and then I need a lighter to help seal my ribbons. I am using a 12-inch dowel rod, and the thickness is 3/16 inch. Okay, so now I'm going to get started. To get started, I'm going to cut my ribbons into 24-inch strips. So I've taken my ribbons and I've cut them all to 24-inch strips. So now I'm going to take the ends of my ribbons and I'm just going to cut a slant in them. Okay, so when you cut your ends of your ribbons, make sure that you're going to be cutting your other ribbons going in the same direction. So I'm going to heat seal the ends of my ribbons, and that way they're not going to fray. Be careful you don't burn your ribbon with the lighter. You just want to barely get the heat onto it so it will seal it. And since this one is not a satin ribbon, it's not going to fray, I am not going to heat seal this ribbon. Okay, now my small ribbon, I am going to cut that out to about 6 inches. And that's just enough so I can actually tie it. I'm also going to cut this into a diagonal. And also heat seal the end. So now I'm going to take my ribbons and I am going to place them in the order that I want them to go. I'm going to take my ribbon and I am going to tie it into a knot, but do not completely close up the knot. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dowel rod and I'm going to put some hot glue on the end of my dowel rod. I'm going to stick my dowel rod, and then I'm going to tighten those ribbons onto my dowel rod. Then you can just fiddle around with your ribbons, get them to go into the direction that you want them to go into. Okay, so now that my ribbons are tied on there, my hot glue is dry pretty much, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to feed this smaller ribbon through the bell. I'm going to go ahead and put that around the ribbon here and tie that into a knot. And I'm going to double knot it. Here, let's put that here. I'm going to put a little bit of, before I tighten it, I am going to put a little bit of hot glue and then tighten that ribbon. I'm putting the hot glue so it doesn't fall. I'm putting the hot glue so it doesn't fly off when you're shaking the wand. So you can either leave it like this long. I did double knot it. Actually, I'm going to cut this down just a bit more. You can leave it long if you want. I am just going to cut it down, and I'm going to heat seal it again. There, how cute is that? So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And again, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.